eyes very close to the head. A beautiful folded. This guy is 1 year and 8 months old. Having such a wide coat, this cat has an amazing saturated eye color. Amazing, a beautiful, very saturated golden eyes. This is a Bengal boy, 1 year and 6 months old, very young. This is a girl, 10 months old, also Bengal, a different color. It's a seal lynx point spotted tabby. Wow, so complicated. Why it's lynx? Because we have stripes here. Spotted, that's obvious. Seal, yeah. It's kind of modified the black color to this very nice seal color. Yeah. Let's play a little bit.
We have a second call for ring 2. We're looking for cats 30, 31, and 32. That's 30, 31, and 32. Second call for ring 2.